please. Oh my gosh. Good morning, my darling. Yes.
I took a nap.
Good afternoon, my darling.
Oh, come on. Look at my hair.
You did take a nap. You look great.
No.
Tiffany can't stop munching on that coconut.
Oh my gosh. Look at it.
It looks so good.
You know, I hope I don't get sick, but you can eat this bottom part, right?
I'm pretty sure.
I mean, I saw other people do it online and, oh, nuts.
It's just a little more fiber, if anything.
Oh, well, I don't need that.
You do.
Oh.
You need more fiber.
Clearly, I don't understand how the
to hold everything together.
Okay. Anyway, it tastes good.
Good.
I've been trying to get the smaller pieces and just eat the top off, but when I get down to the bottom, it's so good I just end up eating it all anyway.
Just eat it all then. I'm surprised that you like raw coconut.
I really just don't ever want to stop eating this, but I know that you shouldn't consume so much coconut in one day. How do the people do it on Survivor?
Well, that's really all they have, so they don't really have a choice. Sometimes they get rice and beans too, or bananas.
Are you going to show them what you did in the bathroom?
I can.
I mean, we haven't really showed our bathroom too much, but you were in there. I slept for what, like an hour and a half?
Yeah.
And you got 2 bags of
garbage.
Was it anything that we could donate though? Was there anything like unopened or?
No, not really.
Okay.
A lot of the garbage was from stuff that was not opened, but I opened it to save space.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, like
your razor, it was still in the box, so I put that in a bag and got rid of the box.
Which I need a haircut. I wonder if Jamie has time tomorrow since we're gonna be out that way.
I don't know. So, like Tiffany said, I was cleaning out the bathroom the whole time she was taking a nap. You guys probably haven't seen much of our bathroom before, so I guess now is the best time because it's clean for the most part. So take a look. Busted out our brand new hand towels. We got these for our wedding from the lovely Chelsea. There's a candle. I cleaned out the medicine cabinet. Look how organized that looks. And I wiped down the shower good holder. I don't know what you would call that, a shower rack. Put all new shampoos and conditioners in there. Cleaned this out, took out some old body scrubs that we didn't use anymore. Here's a little shelf behind the toilet. This is my favorite for Shark Week. And then there's this. I straightened all of this. And I put all these towels here. They used to be underneath, but I like them out so people can grab them, and then we can hide other goods under here. Plus, there were so many towels in here that the door was always open and it was driving me nuts. So I fixed that. And that's our bathroom, guys. What do you think?
I think you did great.
I love you.
Love you too, babe.
And here's your daily cat vlog. Look at little Rue taking her nap. And Katniss is almost sleeping right next to her. She has to have that blanket barrier, but one day they will be best friends, won't they? Won't you? Huh, sweetie? There's Primmy. What are you doing over there? Looking at the birds out the window? You're so precious.
What do I do about my hair? It's way too late to put product in it.
You're wearing a hat now, so.
I know, but I don't like it. Look at it. Parts of it are sticking out. Should I just...
Put it back on with your hair down.
Okay, so then I flap it down to my head.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at you.
So
you are so good looking.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's see you. You've barely even been on camera today. Look at your gorgeous behind. Look at that. Look at this girl, you guys. How lucky did I get? Cari, the viewers would like to know, our beloved campers, how do you get your hair looking so perfect?
I wash it.
No, you have to do something else to it. No, I've wondered this ever since we got together. You have impeccable skin and hair. What the hell do you do? Because I do everything and my face looks like a Monet.
I don't wash my face.
With anything?
No. Lately I've been using a Boscia product occasionally, but
that Boscia product's actually really good.
Mostly to help get the makeup off of my eyes. Shampoo and conditioner and my hair. Half the time I don't brush my hair.
I hope that our children have your skin.
I hope so too.
Did you know that we're both wearing blue?
Yeah. Mine's more like a green.
Oh yeah, it is.
But
mine is not, but look what it is. Get you on the flippity. Ooh, that can be our song. Catch you on the flippity, flippity, flip, 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 flippity. No? I lost it a little bit.
Try again.
Catch you on the flippity, flippity, flip, flip, flippity. So, Miss Cari and I are treating ourselves to a late lunch, early dinner today because we have a mound of paperwork to fill out.
Mound?
Yeah. So, yes, a mound before tomorrow. Why did we wait till the day before to fill it out? Isn't that what everyone does?
That's why I live my life, waiting until the last minute.
Right. That's just what we always do. We always wait till the last minute to do anything.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's gonna be pretty interesting. It is cheap. Every time I just try to sing a Stevie Wonder song, you gotta film it.
I got some breaking news.
What?
Jerry Lewis died.
Stop it. Just stop it right now. Are you serious?
That's what WNEM says.
You know that really bothers me because it makes me think of my grandmother.
I'm sorry.
That man has done so much for people with muscular dystrophy. Oh wow. That's... I hope his family is okay. Oh my gosh, that's just terrible. Oh my God, look at this.
What is it?
Look what I found.
My teeth!
Your teeth. Throw these babies out.
No!
What?
I want to see if they still fit.
No, no. Cari, don't put them in.
Oh, they do.
Stop, please. Oh my gosh. Stop. Okay. Why are you doing this?
I want to suck your blood.
Okay. Okay, throw them out.
No.
Why?
Because they're fun.
Okay, well...
I'm going to leave them in for the rest of the day.
Oh, no. You know how we each get a veto that I'm making up right now? That's my veto.
No, you don't get a veto.
Please stop. Please take those out.
No.
You're so silly.
They're fun.
Oh my gosh. Stop it. Candace, are you rocking out with me?
Yo, 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 what up?
You were supposed to be taking a video of the cat.
What's up, New York? Woo!
Okay, we're in Michigan. What's up, Michigan?
You are amazing.
I know. Best drummer in the world.
You're great at playing the box drums.
I am.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you. Okay, go away now. Go away! Well, guys, we ended up with a box of stuff that needs to be distributed throughout the house.
Okay.
So there it is. It's an oven mitt, Marvel oven mitt. Isn't that sweet?
That's really cool.
Yeah. We found a Dirt Devil. I think we got this at a Black Friday thing. So we did get a couple bags of garbage, but now you can see the floor. We found some spilled flowers. The cats can now go underneath that table. They're having a lot of fun over there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see her, but Katniss goes crazy when she finds like Sharpies and such. Prim can now get in the window again. She's really excited. So that's pretty good. And we got our costume box all set. Look at that machete. It's the Walking Dead machete. I had a lot of fun with this. So we are off to do what now?
We're going to fill out our paperwork.
Yay! For baby making.
Yes.
Because you have to fill out paperwork to have a baby.
Yes, you do.
That's alright. It's just one of the things that we have to do. But you know what? We'll be the most loved child in the world. Well, I mean, I'm sure that there are a lot of parents who watch this vlog who love their children.
Right.
As much as they love the world. So that's not really fair to say. It will be one of the most loved children in the whole world. And there she goes again. Look at her. She's like going upside down. Please don't mind the flowers down there. That just happened. Katniss, what are you doing? Yeah? Are you having fun? Isn't it amazing how when people talk to pets, their voice changes? It's normally like a high-pitched.
Yeah.
Like, I wouldn't say to Katniss, "Hey, Katniss, you having fun over there?" Katniss!
Every time I talk to the dogs.
Mabel! Yeah, exactly.
Mabel!
Little Mabel.
Little Mabel.
I love when Ryan says that.
Yeah.
Little Mabel.
Yeah. About the majority of the paper.
I just can't believe we're still both wearing blue. I'm sorry.
Now there's just like 3 pages of information to read through. So.
Which a lot of people probably don't read. I mean, I'm guilty of not reading some of the stuff. Like the iTunes update. Mm-hmm. Never read a single iTunes update ever. Apparently there's some secret stuff in there according to South Park.
I bet there is.
Yeah. If you guys are South Park fans, if any of you remember the Human Centipede episode, it was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I love that episode. That's when they make, Kyle didn't read the iTunes update. He just clicked OK.
Oh,
so they came and kidnapped him. They turned him into the middle part, sewed his lips to another person, and so on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and remember the guy had to eat he's like, should I eat the kato fish or the vanilla paste? And Kyle's trying to say vanilla paste, and he's like, and the guy's like, kato fish?
Oh man.
Anyway, it was a good episode.
Yeah.
So we should probably start reading stuff because I don't want to be a human centipede.
I'm definitely gonna read through it.
Okay.
This is just a packet. It asks basic information, name, address, phone number, how we want them to contact us. Not through work, not through email. No. Call my cell. Yeah.
I'm not really a big texter anymore. I really was, but I'm also not a real big phone person anymore either. I think maybe I'd rather be FaceTimed. That's my new thing that I'm on right now.
I know it is.
Yeah, Rachel doesn't have FaceTime because she has an Android phone.
Insurance information. They ask if you want to do some blood screening for rubella and chickenpox, Hep B and Hep C, HIV or syphilis.
So it's like a pretty big packet, basically. Yeah. So seems to be that they're really thorough.
Yeah, and then there's things to read, and that's really about it. So I'm sure there will be more to fill out tomorrow, more to go over, but reading through this now will give us some good questions to ask, I bet. So
I guess we're gonna get to that reading. Tonight's Game of Thrones. We had an issue with our Outlast filming, so we have to do that again.
Yeah.
But it's been so long, so we'll be fine.
I don't even remember where we left off.
No, but I know that a lot of people are waiting for it, so
yeah.
I'm sorry that it's been taking so long.
That will be up soon.
Yes, we're actually going to start doing Outlast as a later video, so we'll have our daily vlog, but Outlast will be extra.
Yeah.
It's going to be uploaded at night, so we'll probably put it up like 8 o'clock at night or something like that, like maybe even tomorrow if we get it edited in time. Yeah. But we're going to try to stick to that like Monday/Tuesday upload, so it's just an extra video at night.
Yeah.
You know, Tiff and Cari after dark. So that's about it for the day. We're really excited about tomorrow. I'm nervous and excited.
I'm nervous too.
Can you be 200% nervous and excited? Because I think that's where I am.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah. So anyway, tomorrow is going to be a really special day. So
yes.
We hope.
Plus, there's the eclipse.
Yes.
You're not even excited about it, but I'm super excited about it.
I'm not that excited about it. I'm really nervous that a lot of people have received glasses that aren't, you know, up to code, and they're going to hurt themselves. I get really nervous about that.
Well, that is something that's going around out there.
And the Lucky Charms ad where you can use the cereal box to look at the eclipse, but they don't really explain through...
The video explains how to do it, just the picture is misleading, because if anyone's seen it, they have the person looking through the Lucky Charms box up at a marshmallow moon, but really you have your back to the eclipse when you look through those cardboard projectors. So
right, and it definitely doesn't, people don't read things just exactly like what we were talking about.
Right. So
somebody could make that for their kid real quick, and voila, their kid has eye damage. So no, I'm not super excited about the eclipse.
Be safe. Don't burn your retinas. Well, I guess that's all we have for today.
Yeah. So wish us luck. By the time you watch this, we will have been at our appointment for about an hour.
Yes.
So we're probably really nervous. Maybe if you guys are around, you can hit up Twitter and do like a One Happy Camper hashtag.
Hashtag One Happy Camper.
That'll make us not so nervous.
Right.
All right, guys. Well, I guess that's gonna be it.
Yeah.
We will catch you on the flippity. Thank you.